Hey guys, we're at the Ellis Brook Waterfall today. We're doing to see how well it's running. Do you guys see that? Such a vast area. Look at all that water down there. Notice those people up there. Straight in. Right there. The most safest thing to do. Don't want to be, you don't want to be falling down. It's quite slippery. But that water looks so nice. It's so refreshing. Just look at the view we get. If it's looking a bit hazy, it's because there's burn-offs. So we're in mid-September and they're burning off fires for the summer season coming. We've had pretty good rainfall this winter, so that creates fuel for summer. More grass will dry out in the hotter months when it hits about 40 degrees Celsius. And that happens around December, January, February. We'll get really warm, hot temperatures in summer. And that's when all this dries up. But look at that. Looks so good. I'll try to see if we can get a bit closer. We are pretty far from it. It's quite steep, so it's good for the calves. There's also an abandoned quarry here as well, like a old mine site, so we'll have a look at that after. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys the waterfall, get a bit closer, different angle. It's getting a bit wet in front of us, the track. Hasn't rained today. I think that's the groundwater seeping through the earth. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That looks cool. Yeah. Look at this. It's coming through the trees. Another angle of it. We got... I'll go this way. As I say, we've got 2 tracks, but we'll go up this one. It's quite steep. At least coming down will be a lot easier. Give me a workout. Look at that. There's another view. A bit obstructed by the trees, but well, we're going to head back down. I'm going to show you guys the abandoned quarry. Now, I thought it was going to be easier going down, but because the ground is so rocky, I just keep slipping, so I've got to be careful. I've got good shoes on as well, but yeah, just got to watch our footing. So what we'll do is I'll meet you guys down at the bottom and I'll show the abandoned quarry. Okay, we're finally at the bottom after I don't even know how many steps we had to go down. This is at the bottom again, and we'll walk towards the abandoned quarry like I was mentioning before. It's very rocky terrain. There's a lot of ants as well. So the ants are out and about. So now we're going to the Barrington Quarry, which is 500 metres. And that's the base of the waterfall. So peaceful. So we've got more walking to do. More steps. These ones not as bad though. So the waterfall is up there. Look how cool that looks. The water seeping out of the rocks. See that? That looks really cool. Really needed a break there. That's a good workout though. Really gets the blood pumping. I got the stick in my... You got these big ants. It's like the ground's moving. So I don't want to stand in one spot too long. I think it's this way. I hope. So Qantas plane, we're on the main flight path, or one of the main flight paths for Perth Airport. Just checking, we're not even halfway there yet. So. But now the ground's pretty well flat. Going up a slight incline, although it's so much more easier to walk up. Oh yeah, there's a bird in front. Beautiful birds. Yeah, you see that orange marker? We're going the correct way. So when you guys do hiking or walking like this, just do pay attention to the colour of your marking on your tracks. I do hear running water on the right hand side of me, just through these trees. Oh yeah, here we go. Running water is good to drink. It's not stagnant, it's fresh. This water is definitely fresh, you could drink it. It's pure. Look how clear this water is. And it's definitely 100%, you could drink it. In a survival situation, it's something you can drink. So if you ever, obviously it depends where you are, but I know this is fresh, clean drinking water. And you just grab your hand, grab a cup. As long as you're grabbing it from where the water is running, it's fine to drink. 100%. Nothing will happen. Now if the water's stagnant, of course, you're going to get sick, but that water is pure. I might actually have a drink. Talking about it. I'll show you guys. So we're gonna grab a cup of your hand. I can try and see if I can film at the same time. Spring. So, didn't even realise the rain has obviously dug itself its own little river system. I don't remember this here. Well, I haven't been here in a long time. I would say at least 15 years ago. It's the last time I've come here. Now we're going to walk. Okay, so I don't want to get my shoes wet. And then, let's use that rock as a stepping stone. Straight over here. Yeah, look in front of us. That's what we've come here for. Oh, not sure. There we go. Just stepped on there. 2 rocks there. Now this water you won't drink in the middle here because it's all stagnant, it's not moving. So don't drink that water. Hey, there's a man out there. Okay, I think that's put in illegally. That's not, oh, maybe not, I don't know. It's just a guy dangling in the air. I wasn't expecting that. I can't watch. Gee, scared the crap out of me. fully full. But anyway, this is the Barrington Quarry. Look at the different, so you'll see there on that sign, I was going to say, look at the different layers of rock. And it will say, I'm pretty sure it says health warning, no swimming. I'll get the camera to zoom in. Natural water bodies likely to contain, may cause, can't really read it, danger in hot weather. So it's a microscopic bug that basically goes up into your brain and eats it. So I'll put a little link in the description about what that thing does. It's in the water, but that only comes out when it's hot. And it's about 20, I'd say 20, 23 degrees Celsius. So it's not too hot, but a lot of water everywhere. So yeah, just give you guys a panoramic view. Nice to do, dangling in the air, but yeah, it's really cool. Really awesome. You get the little waterfall there in the background. It's quite a high drop up there. I think that thing's not meant to be there.
Like a thing of all metal.
Listen to the echoes. Everything's really echoing in here. See, this is water you wouldn't drink. No chance. It's all stagnant. It's probably been... Have a listen to this. How echoey it is, ready? Oh, not quite. The camera didn't really pick that up, but it's quite... So, it's such a cool place though. But that rope, that's really freaking me out. I don't know why. Like, it just looks scary. That's definitely makeshift, but look at that. I'll show you guys again. Look at how cool it is. And we're at the base of it, of the quarry. The quarry was actually used for granite. So they were mining here in the mid 1950s. And it looks like a car door, guys. What do you think? Or some type of mangled car part, I'm pretty sure. But you gotta be careful of these rocks. You don't want to be slipping on the rocks. And getting help out here could be a bit of a problem. Yeah, there's some type of car part, white and green. Yeah, it's like wedged in there, but definitely some type of vehicle. Besides that, there's really no evidence. Like, there's nothing showing what this quarry was, as in there's no offices, there's no abandoned cars, there's just a hole in the ground that they've left, and that's pretty much it. But it just looks so cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you found this video interesting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.